Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Merry Christmas to everyone, and I hope everyone stay healthy, stay warm. Finally the sun is out. It's not that quite cold yet. As you can see, I'm still wearing t-shirts, so I'm going to use this day to install my racing seats. The parts came in. I ordered a seat rail, and let's go ahead and let's get this thing done before it gets dark. Okay, so here's the package from Evasive Motorsports, and here's the part number for the seat rail. It's from Buddyclub Racing Spec. I only bought one for the right hand drive. Too bad for the passenger side. Alright, so let's go ahead and open the box and check it out. So these are the rails. As you can see, is Buddyclub. It's a super low down. Alright. These are the side mounts and all the hardwares. Directions in Japanese and English. Cool. Alright. And here's the leverage. So it should be straightforward. Shouldn't be too hard. So let's go ahead and let's install this seat into the R32 Skyline. I'm losing sunlight, so let's get to it. Right, so once you're on the driver's side, so what we're going to do is we're going to remove the factory seat. All right, so I have to remove this fire extinguisher, also along with the bracket. So the seat is holding with a 4 bolt, one right here, and one should be on the other side, and then you have 2 on the back of the seat. So it should be easy access, and it should be simple. And so let's see here. Let's go check what size is that bolt. I think I remember it was 14 millimeter. So let's go ahead and remove all 4 bolts on this seat right here. Alright, so we're going to remove this bolt right here. Alright, just like that. Remove the bolt. Remove the fire extinguisher on. Oh. Okay, so I'm going to remove the other 3, and let's get this seat out. Now I got the driver's seat out. I'm going to set it to the side, and let's go check inside. A lot of space, but not for long. Okay, so just keep in mind that this plug underneath the factory seat, just be careful. Don't snap it out. So remove it, and just tuck it in here for now. Okay, and all these factory carpet. Oh shoot, what the heck is that? Oh damn, some Japanese money. Got 100 yen, 50 yen, 50 yen. So let's see, I got $1, $2, $3, $4 right here. Awesome. Let me see. I don't know, but you know, it's worth a shot to see what's underneath here, you know. Okay, cool. Well, let's get to it. Let's install the racing seats and let's go. The seat rail for temporary for now, and don't forget the seat belt buckle from the factory seat. So you may want to remove the buckle and put on the seat rail, and also don't forget, plug it in. Okay, so as far as this leverage right here, I already put one in, so it's pretty simple. So this part right here, it will go inside. All right, just push it in there, and it gonna go in so far. So double check the other side. All right, just like that. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at those side mounts, and let's put it on to the racing seat. So these are the side mount bracket. All right, and then the hardware, and these are the shorter ones, and this one is the taller one. So as far as the direction, the front are the taller one and the back are the short ones. So these doesn't have any polarity. I mean, it doesn't say left or right or whatever, but I think it should be okay. Okay, so here are the side mount, the bracket. All right, so all these bolt here is hand tight for now, because these going to be sit on top the seat rail, and then might have to do some adjustments. So I'm not sure. So I'm gonna try it out like this. For the front, I did the bottom hole, and for the back side, I did the top one. So let's go ahead and install this and see what happens. Okay, so once you have everything all adjusted from the seat rail and the side mount bracket, then you're going to take the seat rail out, and then you're going to install to the seat. I didn't make a video on that because I'm losing sunlight, so I had to do as fast as I can, and it's getting cold outside now. So once you have everything all tightened up from the seat rail and the side mount, all the hardware is all tight, and then install the seat in, and it should be straightforward. Once you put the seat in there and tighten all four bolts, and yeah, and that's pretty much it. As far as the seat goes, I have a lot of clearance on top now, so, and I invest a quick release hub, because I'm a big guy too, so I'm gonna have limited clearance once I try to get in. So yeah, I may have to invest a quick release hub. That will be the next thing I'm going to do. And yeah, as far as the seat goes, I like it. It's a good snug and it's not too tight. So again, this OMP WRC-R, the size is large. So yeah, and that's pretty much it.